Yo, hello everybody. Yeah, it is cold outside right now. What does the weather say right now? Actually, it is 35 degrees. So right now I'm gonna be here along the National Mall. Gonna probably walk around a little bit. Gonna go walk around a little bit. I only have like about an hour for today, but just wanted to make a video. It's the new year, so first video of the new year, and just catch you all up on like what's been going on, the amount of videos that I've been doing, and then doing some more podcast ones other than the running videos. But I'll tell you a reason why I haven't done like a running video in about like 2 weeks. Anyways, let's go around, catch some Sprigatitos. Hopefully we get a shiny one, and I'll talk to you in about a little bit. Get to the Smithsonian Castle and I'll record. Oh yeah, I got a new beanie. Alright, before I start driving again, back-to-back shinies. Alright, well, that's helping out with the getting the shiny count. I just need one more to finish the family. But let's just go down to the mall. Found the Pokémon group. So check your campfires. Play with couples. Yo everybody, so super cool. We went to Campfire, went to the local group, and apparently there's a bunch of people at the Smithsonian Castle. So joining them actually right now. They're on their way to this Shatterades that's about to pop in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna check this one. Not as shiny with the background, but I will actually check really quick what the background is. Let me see. That's cute. Little dual Destiny background. Actually, kind of cute. Not too bad. But yeah, super cool that we found a group. But yeah, gonna go show you and gonna go do this shadow raid really quick, and then I'll do a few more shiny checks, and then once we get back to the castle, I'll talk to you all about like what's new and what I've been up to. Okay, let's go do this raid. Rather than I crash. Kyle. Oh, hey, man. How you doing, man? Sorry, recording a vlog. How you doing? He won the day. A free Shundo.
This is my first shiny Shundo. Got any more of those?
Shundo? Yeah, no. Correct.
Well done.
Nice. Awesome. Congrats, man.
Oh, today I have the tag for today. That would have been like... Wait, so was that a trade for the Sprigatito as a reward? Yeah, I received that for research.
Do the researchers trades guarantee the background?
No.
You mean this one? Like the task was trade a Pokemon, so I think that guarantees a background.
Do you research deck though?
Huh?
Do you research stack?
I usually do, yeah.
Okay, you don't have to check now, I'm just curious.
but trade a Pokemon, I think, complete 3-party challenges.
I think so. But
Those tasks are sparse right now. Like, I've only found like a few.
Folks want to start walking over that way?
I'm not.
yeah, thanks, man.
Of course, yeah, no worries. Thanks.
I'm just thinking, you know what? This is never going to be a fun though.
No, right? Oh, I'm happy with the Lucky too, because then I can just like, that's a power up. That's a, you know. Oh, I wonder why. Alright, there's a lucky trade. We did? How did we get another lucky? how is that even possible? So we've done 2 trades today and both of them have been lucky. Like, trade right now, and then what was the other trade? The Sprigatito. Yeah, like, how? Oh my god. Oh, well. I guess that's just the luck for today. 2 lucky trades. Can't be mad about that. Alright, I'm gonna do one more shadow. Well, that is Sprigatito Calm Day. So sitting here around the where am I? This sitting here around the Smithsonian Castle. Just checking a few of these Sprigatitos. But pretty much ending the day today. It's still pretty chilly out. There's gonna be a snowstorm tomorrow. It's gonna be about like they say 6 to 10 inches of snow, which is kind of nuts. So happy today was the calm day, not tomorrow. Anyways, how many shines did I get today? Let me see. Got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Sprigatitos, not bad. Did a trade for an Elekid. Went shiny. Went lucky. Also did a Sprigatito, and that went lucky too. And my friend who I did it with got a Slondo. So that's kind of nuts. Anyways, a good day. Didn't expect to go this hard, but ultimately it was really fun. But yeah, so that was calm day. Pretty chill, pretty fun, pretty cold day. Freezing them in a snow jacket. I love this snow jacket. What is this, Columbia, I think? Great snow jacket. Anyways, so wanted to just say and catch everybody up on how everybody's doing. Wanted to catch everybody up on what I've been up to. So like past 2-3 weeks, I haven't been doing my running videos for a couple reasons. One small reason, it's just colder, and so it's a little harder, so it's a lot easier to work out inside. So work out in like my little local gym in the apartment that I have, so that's nice. But the other reason, and I haven't actually been running, I've just been lifting like weights and stuff, doing push-ups at home. But reason is, I hurt my knee, and hurt my elbow like 3 weeks ago, and the reason being. How I hurt my elbow was I was riding a bike after like dinner, hanging out with some friends, and like 2-3 blocks from home, hit a curb, fell over, just like scraped my elbow, hit my knee. No, everything's okay. Like I'm walking, I can do everything pretty easily, but just a bruise on my knee and just been icing it for like weeks now. So it's been getting better and it's been feeling better. So like the thing is, I just want to be safe, and I don't want to run on it too much, and then it's gonna just like it's just gonna make it worse. So been a little more careful. So that's why this past 3 weeks been doing a few more podcast episodes with my brother, watching some like movie trailers, and doing less of the running videos. But slowly but surely, those running videos will be back. I think in about like a week or two. Hold on. There's a bird right here. What up, bird? What up? What you doing? What you doing? Why are you punking the... Why are you pecking the chair? Anyways, that was a cute little bird. Anyways, so yeah, so that's the reason I've been doing run videos. That's, sometimes it happens. Sometimes, you know, you hurt yourself and you got to recover before you can keep running or keep doing, you know, the stuff you love to do. Anyways, that's pretty much it. One more other thing. I would love to share this, and I got lucky with a shiny glaring bird. So, holy moly, that's nuts. And it makes me feel like the spot theory could be something. Like, it could be something. Because, like, I think 2 years ago, and that same spot, I did get a glaring moltres. Not shiny, of course. But yeah, 2 years ago I got glaring moltres there, and then end of last year, glaring articuno shiny. That's nuts. Anyways, but yeah, that's what's been happening. That's been my luck. Hurt. Got a glaring articuno shiny, but recovering with this new year. Gonna keep doing videos and actually expecting a kid. So that should be happening in a week or so. In about like a couple weeks. So big life changes. But hey, that's what life is, right? Life changes and life keeps moving forward. Anyways, thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for joining me on Sprigatito Community Day. Hope you like my little catch up of what's been going on in my life. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next video. I might have a kid with me then. Who knows? No, probably not. It's gonna be newborn, so no. Anyway, I'll probably do another video, super quick, super short, at some point. If not, probably do a podcast with my brother. But you'll see me soon on this channel. Thank you all for watching, and do the like and subscribe stuff if you would like. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.